All right, this one seems pretty obvious, but I've gone to too many open houses where people were literally babysitting the open house. So this one is this home features script. This home features, and then you list, 3 to 4 things highlighted in the home. Ideally, they're things that wouldn't be as obvious. This home features a new roof, owned solar, and don't forget to check out the bathroom in the back that was just remodeled. Something like that. Or this home features an extra bonus room downstairs that has, the ability to be, has its own entrance and the ability to be an ADU. So tell people what isn't necessarily obvious. I guess the remodeled bathroom is kind of obvious, but that it was just remodeled is probably the extra bits. And then you follow that up with what exactly are you looking for in a home? Or you let them go view the house, and then you ask them, hey, what'd you think of the property? And if they're like, oh, it's all right, and then just say, is there anything in particular that you're looking for in a home? And that is an open-ended question, which gets them, no one asks, honestly. Like, really, no one asks at open houses. I've gone to enough. All right, script of the week. This home features, and what are you looking for in a home?